When the baby is born, the baby's day 1 capacity is this size. This is the size of your baby's stomach. So, can he drink 2 ounces of milk? How come my baby drank 2 bottles of milk on day 1? This is the actual size of your breast, your stomach of the baby, but this is not the capacity of it. What is the capacity of your stomach? It can expand because it's very elastic. Otherwise, perhaps we wouldn't be eating our, elaborate dinners sometimes. When we are called for a party, we can actually eat 3 times the servings that we normally would eat. Right? So that's there. As a rule of thumb, if you want to know, whenever you are, if you want to know the capacity of your stomach, all you need to do is close your fist. I want you to do it right now. Close your fist. Keep it on the center this way. This is the size of your stomach. Each of your fist is the size of your stomach. I think I'm eating more than this. Of course I'm eating more than this. But because I have elongated it. So what happens is, continuously if I keep feeding so much more than what I'm eating, there's a permanent state of over distancing. You've seen this elastic which we keep pulling and then it's always like that. It remains that way. Is it okay to have it that way because we would like to have well-fed babies? We want to have plumpy babies. Is it the way normally nature has intended it to be? What is the capacity of this baby's stomach? It's so small. Her fist is so small, so she will not take perhaps 30 ml of milk in one go. 30 ml, you think you can't make 30 ml in your breast? It's very small quantity. So that's always correlated to that. I don't have to make liters of milk. I'm not a cow. I don't intend to do that either. I want to make as much as my baby requires it. And the baby can regulate it very beautifully. This is again where we'll touch upon when we start solids. I'll talk about how a baby can regulate its own intake a little bit. So that's the capacity of it. So baby starts with say about 5 ml of milk, which is just about a spoon on day 1. 1 spoon. If someone in the hospital tells the baby requires 20 ml of milk, you can stand up and say my baby doesn't require more than a spoon at 1 feed. That much is what you actually make as colostrum at that time. That's why people keep coming and telling you that you are not making milk. 1 spoon is not milk. In our senses, it's not milk.
But the mothers get scared and shocked.
Yes. If the baby is not going to drink milk, I don't know. Can I say 1 spoon of milk? Hardly. That much is what the baby requires at that point in time. So your baby will always have that much milk. Now suddenly if I had to give ounces of milk for the baby has to learn to suck, latch up. It's a learning period for the baby. So the first 3 days are left for the baby and the mother to bond, to get to know each other, to get comfortable with each other. Now at that time my primary thought is to keep between 60 ml of milk. That whole process is broken. So when your milk starts growing up in volume, your baby's capacity also increases. So it's designed to be that way.